Every computer user knows that backing up your system is crucial in case something goes wrong. Omaha Computing Solutions understands this need and has created a simple guide to help Windows 10 users back up and restore their systems easily. Backing up your system is like creating a safety net for your files and settings. Omaha Computing Solutions recommends using the built-in Windows 10 Backup and Restore tool. This tool allows you to create a full system image that includes everything on your computer, from files to programs to settings. It's like taking a snapshot of your system so you can restore it to that exact state if needed. To back up your Windows 10 system, simply search for Backup Settings in the Start menu. Click on Backup Settings and then select Go to Backup and Restore, Windows 7. From there, you can choose to create a system image backup. Follow the on-screen instructions to select where you want to save the backup. External hard drive is recommended, and let Windows do its thing. Now that you have your system backed up, let's talk about restoring it. If your system crashes or you encounter a major issue, you can use the System Image Backup to restore your Windows 10 to a previous state. Simply restart your computer and press a specific key, usually F8 or F12, to enter the boot menu. From there, you can select the option to restore from a system image. Follow the on-screen instructions to choose the backup you want to restore from, and let Windows do its magic. Backing up and restoring your Windows 10 system might seem like a daunting task, but with the help of Omaha Computing Solutions, it's easy. By following these simple steps, you can rest easy knowing that your files and settings are safe and secure. Don't wait until it's too late. Back up your system today.